Welcome to our 330-second State of the Track, this time at Morris Park, here at the Diary Island line. Diary Island bound track first. Some attention required. But look, you see Omar that has 4 tracks, but 2 of them are in use and 2 of them aren't. Yep. Yep, but you know, Omar, that here, the Diary line, the R188 was tested. The new ones. And the convertibles as well. Yeah, I'm going to the Manbound tracks. Yup. Look at this. Oh my god. Ew. Needs attention. Yup. Yup. Ew. Next tram function in 10 minutes. Wait a minute. CBTC signals? Yes, I know that. But I thought that the R142s weren't CBCC compliant. Alright, so they will do it at Morris Park.